Plate heat exchanger. Designs and advantages. This video will give an in-depth discussion about plate heat exchangers. This video will give a better understanding of how plate heat exchangers work, design of plate heat exchangers, plate types and patterns of plate heat exchangers, applications of exchangers, advantages and maintainability of plate heat exchangers, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding plate heat exchangers and their functionality. Functionality of plate heat exchangers. Fundamentals of a plate heat exchanger. Design and function of plate heat exchangers. Operating a plate heat exchanger involves several steps. Pressure drop considerations. Installation of a plate heat exchanger. Connections for plate heat exchangers. Plate heat exchanger safety measures. Pre-startup cautions. Operational conditions of plate heat exchangers. Standard operating procedure for plate heat exchangers. Precautions for temporary shutdown. Long-term shutdown precautions. Chapter 2. What is the design of plate heat exchangers? Carrying beam in plate heat exchangers. Fixed plate in plate heat exchangers. Support column in plate heat exchangers. Pressure plate in plate heat exchangers. Guiding bar in plate heat exchangers. Tightening unit in plate heat exchangers. Gaskets in plate heat exchangers. Gasket types in plate heat exchangers. The types of gaskets used in plate heat exchangers are slid-in gasket, glue-free type, EPDM gasket, PTFE cushion gaskets. Types of plate heat exchangers. Gasket plate heat exchanger. Brazed plate heat exchanger. Advantages of brazed plate heat exchangers include welded plate heat exchangers. Semi-welded plate heat exchanger. Plate and frame heat exchanger. Features of plate and frame heat exchangers include Chapter 3. What are the different types and patterns of plates used in plate heat exchangers? Types of plate element patterns. Corrugated pattern. Herringbone pattern. Plate types and plate heat exchangers. Condenser, gas cooler. Characteristics of condenser plates. Applications for condenser plates. Multi-gap plate. Multi-gap characteristics. Typical applications for multi-gap plates. Chemical processing, dyeing and textile industry. Food and beverage processing. Sugar industry. Pulp and paper manufacturing. Other industrial applications. Exclusive food application plate. Exclusive food application plate characteristics. Dual wall plate. Dual wall characteristics. Applications for dual wall plates. Double-line gasket plate. Double-line gasket characteristics. Double-line plate applications. Semi-welded plate. Semi-welded plate characteristics. Semi-welded plate applications. Frequently asked questions. How does a plate heat exchanger work to transfer heat efficiently? What are the main types of plates and patterns used in plate heat exchangers? Which gasket materials are used in plate heat exchangers for demanding processes? What safety measures should be taken during installation and operation? What makes plate heat exchangers suitable for food and beverage applications? Are there plate heat exchanger designs for handling local water with high solids or fibrous content? Chapter 4. What are the applications, advantages, and maintenance considerations of plate heat exchangers? Applications of plate heat exchangers. Plate heat exchangers are used in the following applications. Advantages of plate heat exchangers. Maintenance of a plate heat exchanger. Pre-teardown of a plate heat exchanger. Procedure for opening. Cleaning heat exchanger plates. Steps for cleaning in place. Procedure for cleaning in place. Testing heat exchanger plates. Gasket installation. Verification. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right plate heat exchanger manufacturers for your needs.